Alright guys, today I want to do an unboxing and overview on my new ceiling fan with lights. I will take everything out of the box, show you what's inside. I actually won't be installing it this time, but I just want to show you the quality of everything that I got. I do want to say thank you to the company for setting this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. Your installation guide right here. The 4 blades for it. Very nice. The accessories. All the screws. And it looks like some gloves as well. Some more accessories for it right there. This is the light. This is the fan lamp. And this is the actual device itself. What is this? All right. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks once we actually have it all set up. Okay, so the installation process was actually pretty straightforward. I did use the video that they had on their site as well as the instructions that it came with. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes. Cool things that I want to point out about the fan, it does have 2000 lumens, so you don't have to worry about it not being bright enough. And then it also comes in 3 different color temperatures, so that way you can choose whichever color temperature is best for your indoor or outdoor needs. So the one cool thing about this one is that you can control all of the features through the application right here. So as you can see, you can control the fan speed, the different light settings. All right guys, and as you can see, that installation was fairly easy. Here's the finished product. Really good quality. And I do also want to mention, you can control everything from the remote control as well as the app, which I already included. So if you're looking for a new ceiling fan that's got like a more modern twist to it with the remote and the app, definitely look into this one. 10 out of 10.